What's up, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading, and the MOJO Show. It's a little fadeaway right here. Hopefully don't get one on dry ships. It's doing amazing. It's at 265 right now. Did a walk away for like an hour, came back, and the stock's up 20 cents. We did a move through 250. The move through 250 was the biggest move of the day right here. I wonder why that happened. Little packet of ketchup, huh? Little packet of ketchup right there. This is the stock that we're in right now. So if we want to go like this, we have here. Excuse me. So this right here is a. Ooh, Remy's barking at someone out there. This is a mini Heinz packet of ketchup for my records. Little. Come on in here, Ramaroo. I gotta take care of the dogs. Dogs today. How's everybody doing on YouTube, Twitch, Roku, all my things? It's amazing. It's amazing in my day trade room that the traders could buy UVXY at 908 and they can let it go all the way down to 891 for a loss of $300 and then rebuy the position back at 894, but when it goes up $60 they sell it. If you can ride it down for 300, why can't you ride it up for 300? It's like ridiculous. And it's the same amount of time. You wrote it down for an hour and a half, and you wrote it down 300, and it rises, and you take a lot, and then it rises, you take a lot, and then it rises, and in 5 minutes you sell it. Why? Like dry ships now. Why would you sell dry ships? The only way dry ships is going to break down if it goes to 250. You should all have 20,000 shares of dry ships. It's going to go up $2,000 for you in the next 15 minutes. And just like going to be at 78, you're going to be like, holy shit. You know, this is, you know, why do I do? I can't recognize when I have pocket aces and the flop comes with an ace and I have the nuts. It's called the nuts. This is the nuts. When you have the nuts, that's what it's called, see? It's called the nuts. This is called the nuts in poker. When you have a hand and you just can't freaking lose. It's called the nuts. Yep. We got MOJO University tonight. 40 students. Anybody wants to join, let's go. You can watch course 1 right now before tonight. Go to my website and join. $2,497. I'll give you my level 2 video too. That's worth $99. That's a good deal today. You can do that. It's a slow cycle out there. See, everyone goes to lunch and they eat at McDonald's and Burger King and Wendy's and Checkers and the pizza place, and eventually they'll come around and make their way from one place to the other. That's just what people do. We traded, I can't believe it's 12-14. I did the greatest walk away on dry ships. Greatest walk away. Hey, everybody want a free pass to my day trade room and see what it's like to trade? Watch me on video. Don't ask for a free pass. $3 Heinz on Cena. Let's tag along to the dry ships. That's all this is, just simple tag along trade play. That's all that is. Just bid it up and buy some, go to 310. It doesn't, very little risk on the downside, but this is called a tag along. It's when you get the big winner and you just go find the other one and you just go tag along with it like that. You can get me with the leader and tag along for the ride. It's a MOJO trade play. Easy. One of the things I teach. Got my new website happening. You guys want to see the new site? And check out my new website. So I have like some of the things I teach. Like if we go to courses, here's what I teach. So you go, the day trade book. I have my WoW trade play in there. I got the V band. Got the Hulk. I got my Green Giant. I have my Gonzo. It's so cool. Pro Trader Mike named one of his trade plays after me. I wonder what it means. Oh, a pre-market indicator resulting in a big move. Learn that in MOJO U. Oh, the Heinz trade play. I heard about that. Oh, the level 2. Yeah, you have to really understand what that is in order to trade. I think so. Yeah, you need that. And it's important to journal your trades. I guess you learn from your experiences, and it makes you your own teacher. Oh, and scaling buying power and patience. Got to learn how to scale in. Ask Pro Trader Mike. Oh, and bankroll management. You need, everyone recopies this chart of mine, but mine's much nicer than everybody else's. Oh, and 80% accuracy. I'm really telling the world how to get to 80% accuracy? Really? Well, there's 90 and 95% to go. So you can go at 80. I go at 95. And you take the MOJO challenge and you learn how to trade a small account into a large account with these parameters? Really? And then you have a simulator to trade on before committing real money. You should paper trade first before proving consistency, because these are the setups for a simulator. Really? You set up your office with all this and you have your goal setting? Wow, really? Everybody needs goals. What are goals? Oh, goal setting with outcome, process, self-belief. And really? Oh my gosh, well, what is an outcome and a process? Oh, that's an outcome goal? Oh, everyone, I like this. They copy this from me too. This is all my money. Oh yeah, and my small traders, large traders, and medium traders make this much in the day trade room? Really? Wow. Oh, your timeline to profitability is that? Oh, that's cool, man. Really, your timeline to profitability. Oh, your day trading computer setup? I have that for you also. So this is basically giving you everything that you need to get started day trading for anybody. Your computer risen, your hard drive, your software, your internet connection, all that great setup, paying for the courses, and a tuition rebate program where they pay you back the cost of the courses, interactive brokers, Cobra trading. Really? No. Interactive IB? Cobra? Wow. Speed Trader? Yeah. $3.50 a ticket. MOJO, $2.50 a ticket. Yep, $2.50 a ticket. The DOS Trader, my platform of choice for 15 years. And get with the TradeX platform for international traders, and 10-to-1 buying power, and Short Trader for 6-to-1 buying power. Oh my gosh, and what else are you going to learn? The Ken Slim system? Really? You're going to go through the Ken Slim? Well, what about options and calls and puts? Do I explain that? Oh sure, I go into that. And I go into my covered call strategy and my triple threat strategy. And this is really everything in a nutshell that you need for MOJO University and to day trade for a living. I just brought you through it. Look, 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Isn't that cool, guys? That's a little like comic strip roadmap. Right there, a wealth of knowledge right there on my site. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's my website. Look, it's one page. That's all it is. It's just this. Everyone's going to copy my style now, of course. You'll see. Look, that's all it is. Here's the day trade room. Here's why I'm the best. My day trade logs. Right here. Everything transparent. Yellow's a 99%. Absolutely. Here's my chat room rules. Right here, be active. And here's my morning routine. Got that happening. New traders, beware. You know, you new traders, you can't trade for real in the first week. You got to either paper trade, hold off on your trading, dude. Don't do that. You got danger. Selling for profits, how to do that? Oh, definitely. Oh, and how to buy? I have that coming up too. Buy sequences as a businessman, not a trader. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. Check it out while I take this call, guys. Hello? Remy, stop barking at everyone. So yeah, so check it out. You go in the simulator. I'll lifeguard for you right there. You get your home office set up right here. See that? Your specific goal setting. And this is, you know, I'm adding a couple more slides on there, but basically that's it. And then you have my Mojo shows, which you're watching right here. Some amazing comics, guys. Look at these comics. They're awesome. Carl, you'd signal on the Heinz in the level 2, man. Look, I'm Pro Trader Labrador. Then I'm Mark Zuckerberg. This is your new way to pick a stock? Should ask Pro Trader Mike, man. Oh, I gotta find myself a big winner. Gotta find myself a big winner. Go to bed, you bum. Pro Trader Mike does all the research. Come on now. Oh, please don't stop me out. You're way over margined. It's going up. Shit, auto closed. Don't say it or think it. The only one that can update your stocks is Pro Trader Mike. Stock support. Remember, get the updates from Pro Trader Mike. I like that. Those are my comic strips, folks. Got 300 of them. Time to show the world, right? Gotta love that. And then I'm a market assassin. Watch me take your money. She's trading in the Mojo room. Don't panic if the stock market crashes. Pro Trader Mike does all the research. Just follow his picks. So shit. Hey, where'd Ed go? He's about to get auto closed. He went off the reservation again. There's Ed on the roof. Yeah. Ed on the roof, folks. You gotta have like 10 seconds between those slides, you know what I mean? They move a little quick. Let's see. Alexa, change the timings on the whole front page to 10 seconds. Watch this. Done. Watch. Now watch how slow they go. If it's any consolation. Hey, being retired's great. I'm making more money in a week trading with Pro Trader Mike and his Mojo team than I did as president for an entire month. That's a good one. You ready for another ride this week, folks? Oh, yeah. Here comes Trump. I told you. Follow Pro Trader Mike's picks. Kicking the stock market's ass. Oh, here's a good one. Here's a good one. Okay. This guy isn't telling us where he's getting his greatest stocks pick from. You can kill the headlights, Sam. That's a good one. Yeah. Welcome, your stock portfolio, population 0 on the gravy train. Yeah. Nice. Yep. Here comes the next one. Here comes the next one. Oh, Mike's the best stock picker in the world. That's all you have to do is follow these simple formula right here. Join the MOJO Day Trading team, follow the picks and make money. Really? Is that easy? Oh, thank you. Just listen to him, man. That's all you got to do is listen to that guy. Hey, Pro Trader Mike told you not to blow out the candles when the market's so high. Told you. Yeah, another bum steer by a rogue trader. I'm staying on the reservation, and I'm always following the Moj, Pro Trader Mike. I got to go back to Mojo country. So, guys, if you like those, you'll like these too. That's my website right here. You like it? Love it. Spend some time on it. You want to subscribe to my day trade room? It's right here. You want to know what the day trade room's like? Go right here to chat room. Here's the day trade room right here. Here's the rules. Selling for profits right here. Done. How it all works right there. Everything, folks. Everything you need to know about the day trade room. How to buy and sell. All that great stuff. Look at that. Amazing, right? Amazing. Watch this. Alexa, slow the site down. Now it's not even moving. Job. Oh, I thought that was dry ships at 297. I was like, holy crap. But it's 258. We went up to 270. Did a great. I sold it a little earlier, but we did great. We did great. Let me show you what we did. Who's this person? How'd this person get into the room? Look at, see, they're saying language and shit. Who is that how'd that person get into my room? I gotta check it out and ban them. That's so weird. That's so weird. Someone just came into my room. I don't know how they got in. See if I have any invites going. That's weird. Very weird. Someone must have gave away my invite. Weird. Oh, he said his name, and I don't think so. That's how you, only way you can get in the room is being a subscriber. But I don't have a name, I don't have anybody by that name that signed up. Let me just check real quick. Nah. He had an avatar. Let me see what his name is. Yeah, actually, I think... No, he had a gamer profile. His name was Chidori. And he was listening to music. He wasn't nobody. He was a punk, yeah. Oh, nice. Alex, another great result for you today. $356. See, this is what my traders do. Oh, yeah. This was a $2,000 account. Right here. You could see my trader started with $2,000. Every day follows my picks. He's up to 4,442. He's made 356 today, and yesterday he ended at 4,000. He's up over 100% this month. He did 33 tickets and 13,000 shares. And this is a great day. He gave 70 to total P&L out of 356 was $70. He closed it up at 4,442. That's how you make money every day, boys, as a little trader. Every single day you do that, that's $6,000. At the end of the month, you'll have $10,000. That's how you do it. That's TradeX, Mara. See? Live, real TradeX right there. See that? Everybody's ready to go live, right? Let's get you live. Let's get you live. That's what real money is in the Mojo room. Real trader money right there. That's real trader money. It's 100%er right there. Nice. Dude, I'm live on this channel. Look how this comes in. See, I'm live on that channel, on restreaming on wherever that is. I think it's like Kahamastamastam or something, wherever that I don't know where that is. You want to see where I made back-to-back $1,000 and $10,000 days for the room? You guys out there on Twitch? Out there on YouTube? You want to check it out? You ready? And check it out. Show them what they got going on. Do that. What's up, Mage? It's so nice out, man. My pool is so gorgeous. Outside's so nice. Better not go away while I'm in here. UV's going to 910. It better not fade away. If you're going down the road feeling bad, you need to come and trade with the MOJ. Holla back, y'all. Holla back, Mojo. Ooh. Let me show you MOJ. So if you guys weren't in AVEO yesterday, you probably weren't in this one today. I wonder if my first pick of the day was the first pick of the large room again, you think? Can't wait to see their video tonight. Yesterday, can you believe it? The first pick I did was their first pick. And I promised Boy Scouts Honor, that's my pick. I didn't get it from them. I promise, dudes. Boy Scouts Honor, promise for sure. Swear on it. All right, where we go? 9:16. Hey, everybody. What's going on? Hi, everybody. Hi, hi, hi. We'll use that chart up on the left right here. Doing my scans. And I'm in a DRYS trend trade. This is a buy now and sell later, which is an amazing trade for the day. That's been documented. 4 plays have been done out of DRYS today. At 9:24 a.m. That's from my new trend trade banner. Here goes UV 904. Hold. How come you guys don't have UV? What's going on in the demos? Weird. Anyway, here's the buy at $2.30 for a trend trade. It's called a now and later. Buy the open and sell the close. You'd be up so much. So if you would have bought 10,000 shares of that as my trend trader, a guy that's a working professional that just comes in, sees what I got in the morning and then goes, you would be up $3,000. I did some other scans. And then I did Cara for a move through 27. Cara went to 28. Made $1 on Cara. So guys, if your other room picked Cara this morning, there's something really scary. That means you guys are in my room taking my picks and giving them out to your room. So I'll see tonight. If anybody picked Cara, why didn't you trade it yesterday when it was up, or the day before, or the day before? Why? When the only day that I played it, it's been up 6 days in a row. Why wouldn't you play it any of these other days? And why would it be your first pick of the day? So if it is, you better watch out. Here goes UV 906 cross market. There it goes. 907 Dow's red. How come none of you guys in the demo have UV? So Cara went from 26. Here's dry ships 237. We're long dry ships and we're long UV. And then UV's moving. There it is, 914. Big nice move. Cara nice. Now here's UV more. UV more. MBRX, we got in for trade Amara. She says, should we go with MBRX? I said, yep, let's do it at 179. MBRX goes 188, 188, 190. Sold right there, 194. Rebought it 97 plus to go back through. We rebought it, and then boom, she went back through. I took a loss on this one right here, which was JNUG. JNUG was the first stock, not the Heinz, unfortunately. It did happen, but it was an ETF. It did happen, though. It went to $19.99. It didn't go to $20. And UV's 909. And then we have a rail grind on UV into 923. Beautiful trade on UV. And then MBRX is going to head through 2. And there it is, 2. Here's Cara up 45 cents. I did my Hulk trade play on UV right there. And UV was a blast. Snap sequenced 1750. We traded Snap Attack. Then dry ships right there. And then UV right there for the rebuy now on UV at 912. Dry ships moving to 243, 244. MBRX right here for the rebuy. UV foot tap number 2. Dry ships right here heading through 250. Cara heading through 28. Boom.
Well, yes.
Gopi did a wow trade play at 10.04. That's why the stock's higher right now. And there's 10.56. Great job. MBRX off stopping station. There's another great trade. And then here's how we do the buys so you can't get burned. We have a stop in right there. So everything's risk rewarded. MBRX more. Cara through 28. Now it's up $1.20. Here goes UV 911. Hold UV. We're headed into rail grind. Sino right here through 3. Sino went through 3 at 290 as a tag along. And then I did the show here. I did LABD, which hasn't done anything. And then that was the MBRX right here. And that's when Trade Amara picked it out. I picked it right here. So MBRX right here on the 5 minute. I picked it Let's go to the 1 minute at 9:43 a.m. It's not really time-wise, you can't do it, but here's the 5 minute. I picked it right here at 9:43 a.m. So into this bar, and the thing just took off, man. Do we have liquidity for our room to get out? Well, let's see, 1.5 and 2. It's 4 million shares. I'd say so. First red bar here, another million. Yeah, I'd say we're good to go. So I would say the other people, like yesterday, if you're in another room, you got the original pick, and then you missed MBRX. Same way you missed AVEO yesterday. AVEO right here yesterday was a rocket ship. Look, we owned it at 74 cents, added right here at $1.20, and then boom, stock went to $2.11. They're big moves, boys, and that came right off the watch list. Right off the watch list from Mojo. It's right off the watch. I could show you the watch list. I gotta go up into like another screen right here. Let me see. Yeah, I think I gotta go like to my website. Yeah, if you go to MOJO Day Trading's website and you look up top, you'll see the watch list. Let's see that. Yep, there it is. So if you go right up here, and I have the beginner trader program right here for you guys to join. My website, start trading now. Go ahead and join and get you going. So here's the watch list from this morning, right on the watch, guys. UVXY right there, MBRX and dry ships. 3 for 3. You want to do some charting while you're on my site or on your thing? Here you go. DRYS, enter. Here you go, here's your move. Let's go by the hour. Look at this move in the last hour. Pretty move, and you can do some charting right here. You can go put a nice little trend going right there. That's 1. You can go 2, little channel action right here like this. Snap it right in there, see that? And I go like this, I go here. Not what I wanted to do. I wanted to actually turn it. Move this one down. I think you can drag it. Watch, it's pretty cool. Let's drag this straight line here. And if you wanted to set like a parameter of risk right here, this would be it right here. And you can move it on an angle. See how nice that is? So this would be my stop zone at 245. Actually, it's higher. It's 251. See, isn't that cool? That's 251. This is my zone right here. But my sell is, yeah, they give you a same. I guess I can increase these zones and stuff. There you go. See that? That's pretty cool. So I have that. What else they got? I have a pen. Can draw on a pen. Zoom in. Magnet mode. So that's pretty cool. Right there. It's my advanced chart on the shipper. Right there. Isn't that pretty cool? Right from my website. And then underneath that, you can go and check out all these research sites. Everything's here for you on MOJO Day Trading. There's no fluff. There's the navigation menu on the left. You got all your greats. Comics should be just one thing right now. That's it. That's my comics, one page. That's it. Done. Check them all out. They're beautiful. Got to make the comics go 10 too. Alexa, comic page, 10-second timing, please, if you wouldn't mind. Yeah, let's go 10-second timing. Yeah, let's do that. Watch. Alexa, 10-second timing, please, on MOJO Comics. Let's watch. Now it'll come 10 seconds apart. She's so good, it's unbelievable. Everyone's like, how do you program Alexa to do that? Because you have IBM Watson with it. You know what IBM Watson is, right? I have a Watson. Everybody knows what Watson is, right? This is IBM. Watson. I have an API right here, see? This is, if you know coding and so forth, you can jump set a cognitive code example and create your own, transform all your data and information, how you do things. I'll show you a video. Here's how IBM Watson works.
IBM's Watson is at the forefront of a new era of computing, cognitive computing. It's a radically new kind of computing, very different from the programmable systems that preceded it, as different as those systems were from the tabulating machines of a century ago. Conventional computing solutions, based on mathematical principles that emanate from the 1940s, are programmed based on rules and logic,
like charts,
to derive mathematically precise answers, often following a rigid decision tree approach. But with today's wealth of big data and the need for more complex, evidence-based decisions, such a rigid approach often breaks or fails to keep up with available information. Cognitive computing enables people to create a profoundly new kind of value, finding answers and insights locked away in volumes of data. Whether we consider a doctor diagnosing a patient, a wealth manager advising a client, a
trader figuring out a new system,
a chef creating a new recipe, they need new approaches to put into context the volume of information they deal with on a daily basis in order to derive value from it. This process serves to enhance human expertise. Its cognitive capabilities are some of the key cognitive elements of human expertise. Systems that reason about problems like a human does. When we as humans seek to understand something and to make a decision, we go through 4 key steps. First, we observe visible phenomena and bodies of evidence. Second, we draw on what we know to interpret what we're seeing, to generate hypotheses about what it means. Third, we evaluate which hypotheses are right or wrong. Finally, we decide, choosing the option that seems best and acting accordingly. Just as humans become experts by going through the process of observation, evaluation, and decision-making, cognitive systems like Watson use similar processes to reason about the information they read. Watson can also do this at massive speed and scale. So how does Watson do it? Unlike conventional approaches to computing, which can only handle neatly organized structured data, such as what is stored in a database, Watson can
trade size, time, price, volume.
All of the information that is produced primarily by humans for other humans to consume.
Trade, price, volume, structure, all that's computed.
This includes everything from literature, articles, research reports, to blogs, posts, and tweets. While structured data is governed by well-defined fields that contain well-specified information, Watson relies on natural language, which is governed by rules of grammar, context, and culture. It's implicit, ambiguous, complex, and a challenge to process. While all human language is difficult to parse, certain idioms can be particularly challenging. In English, for instance, we can feel blue because it's raining cats and dogs, while we're filling in a form someone asked us to fill out. When it comes to text, Watson doesn't just look for keyword matches or synonyms like a search engine. It actually reads and interprets text like a person. It does this by breaking down a sentence grammatically, relationally, and structurally, discerning meaning from the semantics of the written material. Watson understands context. This is very different than simple speech recognition, which is how a computer translates human speech into a set of words. Watson tries to understand the real intent of the user's language, and uses that understanding to possibly extract logical responses and draw inferences to potential answers through a broad array of linguistic models and algorithms When Watson goes to work in a particular field, it learns the language, the jargon, and the mode of thought of that domain. Take the term cancer, for instance. There are many different types.
Take the term day trading, trader,
symptoms, and treatments. However,
stocks,
symptoms can also be associated with disease.
Scalper, range trader.
Treatments can have side effects and affect people differently depending on many factors. Watson evaluates standard of care practices.
Trend trader.
Thousands of pages of literature that capture the best science in the field. And from all of that, Watson identifies
Best trades I've ever done, all recorded, so they can replicate more of the best trades for me in future time.
Watson collects the knowledge required to have literacy in a particular domain, what's called a corpus of knowledge.
It has a corpus of my knowledge now.
Relevant body of literature into Watson.
See?
Building the corpus also
I've built the corpus.
Intervention to cull through the information and discard anything that is out of date, poorly regarded, or immaterial to the problem domain.
And it links up synchronized pattern algorithms.
Next, the data is pre-processed by Watson,
See, watch.
building indices and other metadata.
This is what it does. It builds my metadata files.
This is known as ingestion. At this time, Watson may also create a knowledge graph to assist in answering.
I have a knowledge graph. See, do you guys have all that for trading?
It needs to be trained by a human expert to learn how to interpret the information.
You need to be trained by me.
Responses and acquire the ability to find patterns.
Otherwise, I'm a psycho bunny. You don't know what you're doing. Listen, machine learning. Listen to what I do. This is how I could change the website. Boom, boom.
Answers for every question it will receive, but rather teaches it the linguistic patterns of meaning in the domain.
See?
Once Watson has been trained on QA pairs, it continues to learn through ongoing interaction.
Every time I ask Watson to update the site, it learns, and it does it faster and better each time.
Interactions between users and Watson are periodically reviewed by experts and fed back into the system to help Watson better interpret information. Likewise, as new information is published,
and it's an API that runs it all and changes everything. It's cool.
And linguistic interpretation in any given field. Watson is now ready to respond to questions about highly complex situations and quickly provide a range of potential responses and recommendations that are backed by evidence. It's also prepared to identify new insights or patterns locked away in information.
I can't wait for it to reveal some new trades plays that I'm working on.
From metallurgists looking for new alloys to researchers
This is it.
looking to develop
Some new trade plays.
Human experts are using Watson to uncover new possibilities in data.
That's what I'm looking for right now. Something new.
Across all of these different applications, there is a
The man in the iron man. I call it these. I'm gonna call it something too when it develops it with all my data. I have a program that's developing a new one. That's what it's doing.
Watson follows. After
cool.
identifying parts of speech in a question or inquiry, it generates hypotheses. Watson then looks for evidence to support or refute the hypotheses. It scores each passage based on statistical modeling for each piece of evidence.
And everything over 90% I like.
Watson estimates its confidence based on how high the response is rated during evidence scoring and ranking. In essence, Watson is able to run analytics against a body of data to glean insights, which Watson can turn into inspirations.
This is my new, like the Heinz trade play right there. See it?
Across an organization, Watson scales and democratizes expertise by surfacing accurate responses and answers to an inquiry or question. Watson also accelerates expertise by surfacing a set of possibilities from a large body of data, saving valuable time. Today, Watson is revolutionizing the way we make decisions, become experts, and share expertise in fields as diverse as law,
day trading,
medicine, and even cooking. Further, Watson is discovering and offering answers and patterns we hadn't known existed faster than any.
And that's what trading is all about patterns.
In ways that make a material difference every day. Most important of all, Watson learns, adapts, and keeps getting smarter. It actually gains value with age by learning from its interactions with us and from its own successes and failures, just like we do. So, now that you know how it works, how do these ideas inspire how you work?
A lot.
How can Watson make you a better expert?
Big time.
What do you do with Watson?
I'll do a lot with it. And I linked Alexa into it. Isn't that unbelievable? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? How far ahead am I from anybody? Everybody's still looking at my pictures on my website, right? Oh, I gotta make a comic. Oh, I gotta make some comics now, right? Oh, I gotta make, oh, look, he's got those boards like that. And I'm like, I'm like 20 years ahead. Yeah, 20 years ahead. Programming all this stuff. I know, isn't that cool? You know how people can replicate what I do? Because they got money. They got money. It's like that guy on the Shark Tank, Mr. Wonderful. He's a shark. He likes something, he'll just, I'll put you out of business and I'll replicate it. That's what I'll do. And I'll put $1 million into it. What he does on the Shark Tank, son of a bitch. I'm your Mr. Wonderful.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Nice. eBio. V-band spike on the 5 minute in the 1 minute long. Look, V-band spike on the 5. Let me just confirm on the daily. No other sensor picked this one up yet. This is a swing, pick 2, eBio. Swinging and day trading, both combination right here. New pick live. Triple entry. Triple entry. That's a triple entry. Gave up on dry ships in the swing, unfortunately. You know what I'm saying? It's all right, though. These little ones do good. These eBios and AVEOs and GBios and all these little bios. Dry ships did pretty good. So we nailed that. We nailed a couple of other ones today. My guy doubled his account right here. That's how you do it. Small trader, doubled his account. I mean, that's what goes on, boys and girls. Gave dry ships one more try, too, on the 21st, 6 days ago. But it dropped. Hold on, I'm sending out my newsletter. Grab a little eBio, a little risk, nickel, reward 50 cents, 10 to 1. See how quickly I did that? You don't need no risk management. There you go, done. It's a Scooby-Doo kind of day. What's today? Tuesday? We got MOJO U tonight. Oh, they're home, I think. The girls are home. The Grammy's home. New pick. 627. New pick Tuesday. I'll call it New Pick Tuesday. How about that? Done. See, folks, I don't hesitate, man. I don't hesitation. No hesitation. Because tomorrow it'll trade 2 million and it'll go up big. And if it doesn't do nothing, you lose very little risk. But if it runs, forget about it. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yeah. Yo, babes. That's what we do. Isn't that cool, homies? Can't follow me now. Better watch me now. Can't watch me now. Let's read a testimonial. Listen, are you tired of getting whipped by the stock market? Take Mojo U. Do it now. I'm a beginner trader with a degree in actuarial mathematics. Really? I started with Mojo a year ago. I studied and watched the videos and books. I was certain to be successful. I was wrong. It was painful. I found Mike on YouTube. Yeah, boy. Nice. What's this one? I'll read the first sentence. I discovered Pro Trader Mike on Twitter as a novice trader, learning to become a good trader, making a living. I joined Mojo. Yeah. Mike, I noticed you on Twitter. Immediately impressed. Many of your right calls pulled my interest. Pretzelman, Terry, and Manta. Nice, impressive investment that keeps on giving. Who's this? Pro Trader Eric with me right now. Overall great class in there now. Great job. Pro Trader Tom, I don't know who the hell he is. And then Pro Trader Owen, he's still with me since 2014, dude. Look, here's another 4-year banger. It's the way it goes in the Mojo room. Yo, I have something new too. Check it out. I got this new video on YouTube. I don't know if I could put it in there. Let me see. I think I can. Let's check this out. Give me a second. If I got this sucker. This is, yeah, I do. Look. Check it out, homies. Look at this. These are the room polls, boys. Every day, what do you make? $1,000. Look, Alan, you're in there on the top. JT, Eric, look at that. How sweet is that? 2 years worth, Mojo Day Trading Room, transparency. Look how many days the traders lose. 0% on the bottom. Look at that. Every day. Lost, no money. Look on the bottom. Every day. Look, lost, no money. Yeah, one person lost. Big deal. 38 people made. Look, big day, big day. See that? No people lost. That's the Mojo difference, boys. My traders win. Who gives a shit what I do? Nobody gives a shit about me anyway. It's about what the room does. The traders in there, man. That's what they do. Huh? My traders give a shit about me. My family does. Everybody else, as soon as you go out into the world, you want a good hamburger, you gotta make it yourself. You want a good you want something, you gotta go make it yourself. That's all I know. So we traded amazing today. Look, Wookie Bear. He's his first day in here. Hi, Wookie. What is your hobby? I got to get you to change your avatar. Is he connected? Yeah, he's connected. Wookie Bear. What do you want? What are you changing your avatar to, homie? What do you want? What do you want a picture of? What's your hobby? I'll give you a good Avi. See, I'm the Hulk. When I come in like I did today, you got to watch out. I come in like the Hulk and I just bang, zoom to the moon. That's what I do. I bang, zoom. This is Dontavius's avatar. You can't have it. See it? Hacking. He's a coder. See his face? Isn't that a cool one? Can't have that one. I just gave that to Dontavius. He's a coder. What do you want, Wookie? You like the Grateful Dead? Can't give you that one either. That's my other one. How about Sloofy? Yeah, doing pretty good. What do you want there, Mr. Shenanigans? You're a water skier, aren't you? Wakeboarder? How about that? Aren't you a wakeboarder, dude? You like that one, right? That's a sick-ass avatar, isn't it? Badass. How badass is that avatar? Imagine having that avatar in my room. Bustafoo wants it. If he saw it, he'd be like, holy crap. I can't believe you're giving that to somebody else, and he's a wakeboarder. You want that, sucker? You can't. I got it. Busted. I'll give it to you, but if Bustafoo wants it, you got to give it to him. You got to give it to him if Bustafoo wants it. Bustafoo. Cool. You like motorcycles? Nice. I got a cool motorcycle for you. You want a cool motorcycle? Or you want what kind of motorcycle? I can give you a cool one, or I can just give you a regular one. What do you want, a cool one or a regular? I can give you a cool. Here's a cool one. That's a cool bike. Badass MOJO. Newsletter says AVEO. Damn, does it? Send it out so fast, man. I think they get the picture with the e-bio. I'll have to resend it, huh? Yeah, AVEO, homie. Is AVEO going up? Better not be. Yeah, figures. e-bio. Yeah, they get it from the chart. It's e-bio, not AVEO. I sent it again. Tell everybody not AVEO. Put e-bio in the subject line. Throw a little bit at it, you know? Ah, look, very nice. Yeah, it came out right now. There you go. Everything gets fixed. You know what I haven't done in a while? Haven't banned anybody. We haven't done the zombie in a while. You know that. Haven't done the zombies. Gonna have to play it just because I miss it. I think I have to do a day just so I can kick people out. What do you think, Alan? You know, funny, fun, right? I just miss this. Look, don't you miss that? I miss it a little bit. Look, you're looking at the people, they're all coming in. You're like, oh, she's nice. She's so pretty and she's cute. She could be in the room. Oh my God, what happened to her face? She's a shorter. Oh my God, she's a shorter. She wants to short it at me. She's coming at me. Oh my God, forget it. Oh, see ya. Another shorter. Another shorter. Another guy ain't saying hello. From another room. They're all from another room. It's a whole gang of them right here. Missed the show. Carol! She's the best. Carol! There she is. She's so good. Carol! She's so good. UV's doing good, guys. 17 now. Keep it. Keep watching this. Just hold it. Dow's going lower. Keep it. No one, even the demo, even has a share. It's so funny. Oh. Love that. So let me get back to my UV. New high coming into UV right now, guys. Just load up on the UV. Money maker right here. It's going to rip, man. Dow's going. The guys are putting all in the E-mini bets right now. Dry ships is moving to 60 right now. Oh, yeah. Beautiful movements on the stocks right here that we're in. Yeah, for a swing pick. No, not for a day trade. eBio's swinging. Swinging, pinging. You can do it for a day trade too if you want, but it's not a lot of volume. May have to hold it. It's got a signal at 55, another one at 56, another one at 58, another one at 59. So Fierce is doing good. It was up the other day. This one may continue too. So Fierce, right here, see it on the daily, making a big move on the 5-minute. I'm in. Risk 3, reward big to 250. Going up on the watch list too. Big size. He ain't getting bid. He's going to bid it up like that guy from yesterday, guys. So Fierce. SPHS. Great job on the watch list today. $235 on Sophiris. Looks good too on the 5 and on the daily confirmation. This one has very little risk, high reward on this one. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna miss it. Why should we? Why should you miss it just because you put it on the watch list, right? You know what I'm saying? Shouldn't have to miss it. Downside risk, very small. Upside potential, just humongous on that sort of thing right there, you know? They took them. See the size? Can you believe that? Right in one swoop, 19,000. Boom, just like that. Big volume bar, 63,000 on that one, just came in. The other guy's at 227 right there, so we'll just wait because it's got low volume, so we'll see what he does. Very nice. Can you believe Arena's $15 now? I remember when it was 5. Back in the day. Ameren, I picked at $1. $4. Amron, I picked at $1. Look, HBio just went by. All the bios are going by. HBio, eBio, and ABio. Hope we got the right bio. Hope we got the right bio, boys. All right. Pro Trader Mike's pretty much done for the day. I'm going to shut her down. Anybody wants to join Mojo Day Trading, you can do so on my website. Anybody have any questions, send me an email, info@mojodaytrading.com. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off.
Yes.
Keep it profitable. Hey, and if you want to become a pro trader, you know where to do that. At Mojo Day Trading. In the Bugatti.